Guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to do this pose. It basically looks like a Y shape. What can you say yes to today? Y is for yes. Yes to more opportunities, yes to love, yes to more yoga, yes to more stretching, yes to health, wealth, happiness, yes to watching this video all the way through, promise. And if you're watching, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, so let's jump straight into the video. One of the first things in order to do this pose is we are going to be basically opening up our hips. We're going to start with a yoga squat. Yoga squats are amazing and I just love hip openers. I've done so many videos on all the amazing benefits. They're just proper amazing, like not just for your hips, also for your mind, your body and your soul, literally lifting your mood as they're connected to the main stress response. Mentally, like when you store so much in your hips, it can like lead you to hold bad negative energy. So by stretching them, it helps to release that. Really find the correlation between your mind and your hips and like how it relieves your stress. I find it fascinating. And like I said before, I've made so many other videos on opening up your hips. I'm going to link them down below. So I'm just stretching them out, releasing all negative energy and really opening up those hips. I'm going side to side. This is also a great stretch for your spine as well. Hip opening pose. And I'm just doing a few ankle rolls just to like increase the mobility within my ankles and my legs. Just like pushing my knees all the way down, really opening up the hips, releasing all tension and stiffness in the hips. And did you know by aligning your hips, it really helps to improve your posture and it can even align your spine as it's all connected. Just getting into frog pose, which is another great hip opening pose as well. This pose is great at improving digestion. It also strengthens the lower back whilst opening up your hips. And by opening up the hip joints, it can reduce strain on your knees as well. It also helps to improve circulation and can also reduce painful period cramps. Now we're going to be doing a standing hip opening pose. This is really great for digestion and it's great at really opening up those hips. It can improve your balance as well. Also, one of the great things about opening up your hips is increases circulation and it can also help your glutes, aka your buttocks muscles, to grow bigger as by increasing the circulation. If you really like exercise them, the likelihood of them growing bigger increases the chances. Just pressing down my knees like so, another great hip opener. Now coming into happy baby. This is a great stretch as it releases pain from lower back. It opens up the hips, the inner thighs and the groin. It stretches and soothes the spine and it calms the brain and it also helps to relieve stress and fatigue. Coming back into frog pose again. It really helps to strengthen your lower back and it also helps digestion. It also reduces strain on the knees and the hip joints. It's also really calming for the mind and brain and it can help relieve stress and mild anxiety. If you want to deepen the stretch, you can also raise your torso. Remember to breathe through it, you guys. Deeply inhale through your nose, blow out, exhale through your mouth, breathing into the stretch. Also just going to do these little poses as they prevent any soreness building up in the hips after being in that deep and intense stretch. This is just to prevent any soreness building up. These are kind of like cool down exercises, just cooling down the muscle after the intense stretch. Now just going to give our legs a little stretch like so, ensuring that they're properly warmed up. Properly. Really should have done that on both sides, you guys. I have no clue why I didn't. What you do on one side, you should do on the other side. This basically helps the body to be in proper alignment. Now coming into pigeon pose, I've also made a full video on this pose if you want to check it out. I will link it down below, please do. This is an amazing deep stretch for your glutes. It can also help if you suffer from urinary disorders. Also great for relieving stress, calming anxiety and mild depression, and it's really great for your digestive system as well. Just raising one leg up like so and you will really feel the stretch, you guys. Breathe through it. Inhale, exhale, you got this. Come into a lotus pose, and then I'm going to do like a forward fold, really stretching the hips. Also a really great stretch for your shoulders and arms as well. What you do on one side, always remember to do it on the other side so we can align the body. Now just a little stretch, which is basically like a starfish hold, stretching our whole body out and try and hold it. It's amazing for your glutes and your back. Coming back into cobra. Just stretch my leg all the way up like so before I attempt this pose. Working on our balance. This pose is great for really helping you to find your center and really like find the balance. And it's okay if you fall over, you guys. Like I was kind of like wobbling. That's perfectly okay. Practice makes perfect. I just wanted to show you my little angels. Look at them. They are so cute. I'm so blessed to have them. God bless my angels. Now all that's left to do is to attempt the pose that we're going to be doing, which is basically making a Y shape. And make sure to really focus on your balance, finding your center. And there we have it, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video and keep practicing. I really hope it's inspired you to start yoga. And because yoga is literally amazing, I cannot swear by the benefits enough. And really, I don't have anything else to say apart from I love you guys so very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. That literally means the whole wide world to me, you guys. I love you. Peace, love, and light. I shall show you my beautiful children that I'm so blessed to have. I'll show you guys my beautiful little minions. I don't know if you can see them. They're all the way up here. They're super beautiful. Hello. Are you guys having fun? You're very beautiful. We're gonna go now. You're welcome. You're so far. Can you run? Can you run to me? No, to me. Can you run to me? Hey, can you wave now? That wasn't even filming.
Hello.
Look at my team. They're so cute. Kay. Kaden. You're super beautiful. There's no one in the world like you. And that's your superpower. Let me hear you say some affirmations, Kay. Let me hear them. I'm gonna take you out to eat, I think.
Okay.
Let me hear you say some affirmations, Kay. Say it loud. I'm confident.
I'm confident.
And what else did you say?
There's no one better than me in the world.
That's your superpower. Utilize it always. You're so fire raw. Such a beauty. Where's Ty? Oh, Ty! I love your hair as well. Hmm? I'm gonna go up. We're on the search for Tyrese. We're following the leader, wherever he may go. Dee-dum, dee-doo, dee-diddly-dum, dee-doo. That's like Peter Pan, isn't it? Following the leader, wherever he may go. Dee-dum, dee-doo. I love you, Kay. Well done. Keep pushing so you can get up, Ty. Keep pushing so you can cycle all the way up. Keep going. What?
Which way?
We're going. Which way, Daddy?
3, 2, 1, go.
Well done. Good job. Hey, are you ready to go? Or are you staying out here doing all your bits and bobs? What are you doing?
I'm trying to choke.
This child, he comes out with things he has to do. The sun, you guys, it's such a beautiful day.